There's something enchanting about a garden that mirrors the character and charm of a craftsman bungalow, where handcrafted details and natural beauty come together. Today, we're exploring a garden that embodies this harmonious blend. Welcome to Green Home Living. The naturalistic design of the Craftsman Bungalow includes a patio garden with a small vegetable patch. Decorative trellises support climbing plants, adding both function and beauty to this charming garden space. The wide front porch of the Craftsman Bungalow overlooks a patio garden bursting with a mix of perennials and annuals. This combination ensures year-round color and beauty, enhancing the home's curb appeal and inviting nature's splendor. The serene Craftsman Bungalow, with its low, horizontal lines, is complemented by a patio adorned with potted plants and a vintage metal bistro set. This inviting nook is perfect for morning coffee or afternoon tea, enhancing the home's elegant charm. The picturesque Craftsman Bungalow, complete with decorative brackets and exposed rafters, features a patio garden. A wooden arbor, laden with climbing roses, stands at the entrance, leading to a stone path surrounded by lush greenery and blooming flowers. A Craftsman Bungalow with its signature tapered columns and broad front porch frames a patio garden. A rustic wooden bench sits amidst vibrant flower beds filled with daisies, marigolds, and lavender, offering a peaceful spot to admire the home's handcrafted beauty. A quaint patio space at the Craftsman Bungalow features a wooden pergola providing shade and structure. Colorful flower borders add vibrancy and beauty, enhancing the garden's appeal. A cozy patio space features a craftsman-style pergola draped with flowering vines. This inviting area is ideal for outdoor dining and relaxation, complementing the bungalow's architectural elegance. Blending seamlessly with the bungalow's natural materials and earthy tones, the patio garden is filled with native plants. A small water feature adds a soothing sound, enhancing the tranquility and natural beauty of the space. The wide front porch of the Craftsman Bungalow overlooks a patio garden bursting with a mix of perennials and annuals. This combination ensures year-round color and beauty, enhancing the home's curb appeal and inviting nature's splendor. The bungalow's rich woodwork and decorative elements frame a patio adorned with rustic wooden furniture. Hanging flower baskets add a splash of color and charm, creating a warm and welcoming outdoor space. The serene patio garden of the Craftsman Bungalow includes a variety of potted plants and a small water feature. This combination creates a tranquil and visually appealing garden retreat. The serene patio garden of the Craftsman Bungalow includes a variety of potted plants and a small water feature. This combination creates a tranquil and visually appealing garden retreat. The warm and inviting exterior of the Craftsman Bungalow leads to a picturesque patio garden. A cobblestone path winds through a variety of flowering plants, creating a charming and visually appealing scene. The classic Craftsman Bungalow, with its low-pitched roof and overhanging eaves, overlooks a quaint patio garden. A stone pathway weaves through lush greenery and colorful flower beds, leading to a cozy seating area where you can immerse yourself in nature's beauty. Thanks for joining us on this Craftsman Bungalow garden tour. If you found inspiration, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden ideas. See you in the next video, and happy creating your perfect outdoor space.